Ram Panditji.
Jai Shri Ram, Har Har Mahadev.
Panditji, I wanna ask you one question.
Yes.
So, please ask me, uh, what is happiness, and why people not happy in this world? So, please clear out all things.
Everything is myth in this world. Everything is myth in this world. In this world, who is happy? I think no one is happy because your attachment is to what? Your attachment is to uh, destructive thing. Your attachment is to which is that is called nasman. Okay,
Okay.
happy always depends on your mentality. Happiness comes from your inside.
Okay.
From inside, you are happy, you are feeling happy, then you are happy. Okay, nothing is permanent, nothing is stable in this world. Okay, everything is called in scripture, Shastra, everything is destructible in this world. Okay, the happiness, what is happiness? The happiness means if you are attached to yourself, if you are attached to your atma, spirit. Okay,
Yeah.
if you are spirit, if you are attached to satya, what is satya? Satya is always sustainable.
And what is the actual mean of negative mindset and positive mindset? And positive attitude. Please clear out the this means actually. So because we could not understand the actual means of positiveness. Yes, please.
Positiveness, truth as it is. You have to look at the object as it is. Okay,
Okay.
that is truth. If you are not, there are two aspects of the same coin. It is saying in English, there are two aspects of the same coin:
Okay.
dark side and bright side. If you are looking at bright side, then you are positive minded. If you are looking at dark side of something, then you are negative minded. Okay, and
Yeah.
being negative minded, you can never feel happiness in yourself. If you are looking at bright side
Hmm.
of something,
Hmm.
okay, then you will feel very happy, peaceful from inside. That's
Okay.
why to be happiness,
Hmm.
to be happy,
Hmm.
okay, you have to always look at the bright side of something. And if you are looking at bright side of something, then you are positive minded.
Oh, wow. That's great. And I have the one more questions. What is causes and effect? And then my second question is karma. So we always think our past karma. If our past karma is not going good, so we think our future is always depend on our past karma. It is right or wrong?
It is right. It is saying in Gita,
Hmm.
कर्मण्येवाधिकारस्ते मा फलेषु कदाचन मा कर्म फल हेतुर्भू मा ते संगोस्तु कर्मणि. If you have if you have to act, action is under yourself. But what will be the fruit of action? It is not under
Hmm.
you. Okay,
Yeah.
so you don't have to be attached to the karma's fruits,
Hmm.
karma's result, because result is not under your hand, under
Yeah.
your control. Okay, you have to do the best in your level. Okay, you have to act, but what will be the happen of result? What will happen the karma's fruit? It is not in your under. Okay, that's why it is saying in Gita ki without attachment
Hmm.
you have to act.
Okay.
That is karma yoga. That is karma yoga. And without doing anything, nobody can sustain in this world. The karma is
Truth.
the inseparable part of your life. Okay, so you have to act, but without being attachment to the fruit of action. That is karma yoga.
Okay. And which one book you are recommend for our new generation? in our the Bhagavad Gita and others books as well. So which one is the best book for our new generations?
For new generation, I will suggest, not I am suggesting you, uh, Gita is the best book,
Okay.
because it is saying in Gita, Bhagavan Krishna has said to Arjuna, nahi jnanam sadrisam pavitramehe vidyate tat swayam yoga sansiddha kale natmani vindati. It is in English version, there is no purifier as great as knowledge on this earth. Okay?
Okay.
If you have attained the purity of heart from inside, okay, you automatically see the light of truth in yourself. If you are looking the light, okay, of truth in yourself, then you have attained the God. Because knowledge is God and God is knowledge. There is no differences between knowledge and God. जहाँ सत्य है, जहाँ ज्ञान है, वहीं परमात्मा है.
Yeah, and Panditji, I feel for reason of past, futures, and present, my personal thing is that ki if you have the very bad karma in your past, and if you think your present going good, so my personal thing is don't be think so much in your past, because
Okay,
you
it is
could
right,
not you
bilkul.
could not change,
No,
and as
Pa-
well
past is dead.
dead.
Future is uncertain.
Yeah,
What
but
will be what will
now,
happen in future?
my-
you don't know anything. That's why the prediction you can't predict about future,
yeah.
because everything is uncertain. But present, where are you living? You are living at present. Present is in front of you. Okay, that's why you always to do the best at present. Who is authentic person? One who lives at present is called authentic person.
Okay.
Past is totally dead. You can't do anything about past.
So you could not change your yesterday, and you
No.
you can't see your tomorrow.
You ha-
So you will work is now, and now is the perfect thing.
Because present,
Yeah.
what creates the future? Present creates the future. If you are
Yeah.
doing best in present,
Yeah.
automatically future will be created the best.
Okay. So present is
Present
more
is
more
important.
crucial time. So should be you work in present,
Present,
and
you
think
have
your
to-
mind in
Yes,
positive
yes.
changing. So you should be do your present work. Then your tomorrow will be always change.
Always good,
Okay.
because future depends on present.
Yeah.
Okay, that's why you have to do the best at present.
Okay. So that's great. So good to meet you, Panditji. So next time we will definitely change as the positive mindset.
Yeah, always
Yeah.
in this world
Uh.
to be happy. Okay, if you want to be happy, okay, that's why you have to be always positive minded.
Okay.
Positive minded, it means this is the, I think, what should I say, but I think in present there is a lot of frustration, there is a lot of depression. Why it is so? Because everyone is getting negative minded.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and where there is negativity, nobody can feel happy.
Okay.
Okay, that's why always be positive, always look at the bright side of something.
And what is the actual mean of happiness in this current time?
Happiness means
Because this time no one are happy in our inner self. So how to polish ourselves, and how to create a happiness in this world. Because someone told me कि if you are working for yourself, this is not the work, this is the selfishness. If you are working for the other person happiness, you are always happy. And if you can understand that कि you are working for the other person's you are happy, so then that wise you are stretch yourself.
It is saying in Ramayana, Tulsi Baba has said in Ramcharitmanas,
Okay.
Jaha sumati taha sampati nana, ajaha kumati waha vipati nidana. It means if you are if you are positive minded, if
Yeah.
you are doing the best for others,
Yeah.
you will feel happy. Okay, if you are doing, if you are always thinking bad and about others, you can't feel happiness in yourself.
And no, you could not
That's
stretch
why
yourself, stretch your life.
God has given me this life
Mhm.
for other service.
Okay.
If you are giving other service, if you are uh, living
Mhm.
for others,
Mhm.
automatically you will feel from
And-
inside
Hmm.
happy and peaceful.
Happiness
Because
for
it is
others and
saying
happiness
in
for yourself.
Gitas, life is for other service.
Okay.
Life is for other service.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for giving your time, Panditji.
Jai Sri Krishna.
We
Jai
will
Sri
meet next
Krishna.
time. Jai Sri Krishna.